So I found this creature. I didn't know these things are here. I mean, with respect to a quarter, this thing is huge. This thing is huge. Let me see if I can find a coin or something to show you how large this thing is. So let me show you this. This is a dime, and the other one is a penny. So look how huge this thing is. This is a tarantula or something to that nature. I never knew we had these in this is like an Amazon rainforest. I didn't know we had tarantulas here. And I don't even know if these things are poisonous or what. So here, let me throw in a penny so you could see how huge this thing is. It's humongous. This thing is huge. Oh my God. Look at that thing. This thing is huge. It's unreal. How am I gonna protect this puppy? It was trying to cross the road. And if this was to cross the road, it would have been hit by something. I don't know what to do. I gotta protect this puppy so it doesn't cross the road. So here is the penny again. See the penny? See how huge this is? With respect to the penny, look at the penny, look at that. Oh man, this is huge. And if you look in the back, it has a couple of antennas in the back as well. See those antennas? This is unreal. This is unreal. I have never seen anything like it in my life. I mean, I've seen it in the zoo, but not like in real life. This is crazy. Tarantula in Spring Valley. This is something you would hear in Amazon rainforest, you know, not in Spring Valley. I mean, it's crazy. Look. Let me zoom to its eyes. Look at that. Look at those eyes. Oh my God. This is unbelievable. I have never seen anything like it. You hear me? Nothing like it. And here we are. Look where I'm at. I'm in Spring Valley, California, across Pointe Parkway, and I think it's both ways or Pointe Parkway or something of that nature. And yeah, and this is in the entrance of the trail that I found this. And my headlights, I was driving and my headlights was you know, was hitting this sharp. And yeah, before you know it, there it is. There it is. See, oh my God, look at that, look at that, look how it's making itself high. I'm afraid some creature is gonna eat it, like owl or something. So how am I gonna protect this? I don't even know if this is poisonous, it's gonna hurt me or something. Oh man. This is unreal. This is unreal. Well, what I'm gonna do is let it walk, kind of force it to go to the bushes and hide, because here she is so vulnerable. And I'm not even sure if this is the type of tarantula that shoots poison. You know, some of them shoot poison, like it could make you blind, or at least temporarily blind you. Oh my God. trying to attack my iPhone. Look at that. Look at that thing. It's trying to attack my iPhone. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. It's trying to attack my iPhone. Can you imagine this? Wow. Go, baby, go. Go hide somewhere. Hide somewhere so the owls and all the other birds of prey shouldn't eat you, because you are so rare. You are so rare. I haven't seen anything like you. My God. Wow, what a magnificent creature. What a magnificent creature. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. Okay, now I feel a little better because it appears to be safe. All right.